Thank you very much, Your Excellency, Governor. On the part of national government, I'm accompanied by a very senior team, the PS, and also the DG from Sports Kenya. And first of all, as national government, we want to thank the county government of Kakamega for the partnership and the commitment to work together. Today's visit was a follow-up to the directions that had been given by His Excellency the President, and that we have done a very fruitful inspection of this facility, and we are both satisfied and happy that Bukungu International Stadium will be implemented in record time in readiness for the Africa Cup of Nations, because as government we have decided that Africa Cup of Nations, Bukungu International Stadium will be part of those fields where the matches will be played. So our visit today was basically also to appreciate the work and also to make sure that we inspire our technical teams to work together and do periodic reviews beginning today until the deadline is properly reached to completion. And on behalf of the national government, I want also to thank the people of Kakamega. I know Bukungu is one of those flagships, for this county, and we will work together to ensure that that dream is realized. So within this region here in Western Kenya, apart from Bukungu, we are also working in Bungoma, in Kandui, which is about 90%. And in the next few weeks, we will also be fitting in 10,000 seats in Kandui, because the talent development, talent nurturing in our country is very key. And as a ministry, we will continue to work with county governments to ensure that we inspire young talents to realize their potential. And therefore, Your Excellency, I want to thank you more sincerely for the warm welcome, but also for the partnership to work together. And of course, here we will also have our teams that will come regularly to ensure that we are able to meet the deadline.